Welcome back to American AI Masterclass. I am your instructor, and in this video, I am going to show you exactly how to create your free ChatGPT account in just 2 minutes, step by step, click by click. Let us get started right now. First, open any browser on your computer or phone. I am using Google Chrome. Simply click the address bar and type chatgpt.com. That is chatgpt.com. Press enter and the official ChatGPT homepage will load instantly. This is the only official website. Make sure the address says exactly chatgpt.com. On the homepage, you will see 2 buttons. Unsee login and sign up. Since this is your first time, click the sign up button right here. You now have 3 options to create your account. You can sign up with your email address, or you can use your existing Google account or your Microsoft account. The easiest and fastest way is to simply click continue with Google if you already have a Gmail account. I am going to click Continue with Google. A pop-up window will appear showing your Google accounts. Simply click on your Gmail account and ChatGPT will automatically create your account and log you in. The whole process takes less than 30 seconds. No passwords to remember, just 1 click. Congratulations, you are now inside ChatGPT. Let me give you a quick tour of what you are seeing. At the bottom of the screen is the message box. This is where you will type all your questions and requests. On the left side, you can see your chat history where all your conversations are saved. At the top, you can select which AI model you want to use, and your account settings are right here in the corner. Everything is clean, simple, and very easy to use. Now, let us send your very first message to ChatGPT. Click the message box, type anything you want. I am going to type, "Hello ChatGPT, I just created my account. What can you help me with?" Then click the send button. Watch how ChatGPT responds instantly with a detailed, helpful, and friendly answer. You are now officially an AI user. Congratulations. And that is it. Your ChatGPT account is ready in under 2 minutes. In the next video, I will show you the difference between the free and paid plans so you know exactly which one is right for you. Subscribe to AI Masterclass right now, hit the bell notification, and I will see you in the very next lesson.